Hello and greetings to each one of you who are watching my video for today. On this lovely day, we will be doing Module 5, Eating Right, which will be focusing in listening and speaking skills on page 50 and page 51. Learning standard for this lesson is 2.2.1. Explain and give reasons for basic opinions. And learning objectives are, by the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to, number 1, state true or false based on the story read. And number 2, state at least 5 items to buy for a picnic. Okay, to start our lesson for today, let me introduce you to a collective noun. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is used to represent a group of things or people or food, such as a group of students, a swarm of bees, a basket of fruits, and so on. So today we will learn 6 collective noun from your textbook, page 50. Number 1, a bag of grapes. A bag of grapes. Okay. Number 2, a carton of milk. A carton of milk. Number 3, a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Number 4, a box of cereal. A box of cereal. Number 5, a can of lemonade. A can of lemonade. And the last picture is a bottle of water. A bottle of water. So children, you can find this in your textbook, page 50. Collective noun, they are used to group something, okay? To group the items together. We call it collective noun. Okay, task 2, we will listen and read what Greg and Anna do. Okay, I want you to listen carefully because we will have few questions after this.
1. What do Greg and Anna want? Listen and read.
Greg, I'm hungry.
Me too. What can we eat?
Have you got any cereal?
There isn't any cereal in the cupboard, but there is a box of biscuits. Is there any milk or juice in the fridge?
There isn't any milk, but there's a carton of orange juice. Oh no, it's empty. There isn't any juice in the carton.
There aren't any biscuits in the box. What are we going to do?
Hello, children.
Hi, Mum. It's so good to see you. What's in your bags?
Hi, Mrs. Brown. Delicious.
So, we have listened to Greg and Anna just now. So, where do you think they are? Where do you think they are? They were in the kitchen at Greg's house. Okay. What are they doing? They were searching for food because they were hungry. But they didn't find any food. They only found an empty box of biscuits and also an empty carton of orange juice. There is no more orange juice inside the carton and there is no more biscuits inside the box. Finally, Greg's mom came and brought some biscuits. So, at the end of the story, Greg and Anna ate the biscuit. So, children, The moral value for this story is be thankful for what you have, meaning that we cannot waste any food. If we don't want to eat, we just keep it for later. Don't throw away the food that you have because sometimes we will feel hungry, so that's when we take the food and eat it. All right? So after this, we will read again the story and write T for true and F for false. Okay. Anna said she is hungry. And then, me too. What can we eat? Have you got any cereal? There isn't any cereal in the cupboard, but there is a box of biscuits. Is there any milk of juice in the fridge? There isn't any milk, but there's a carton of orange juice. Oh no, it's empty. There isn't any juice in the carton. There aren't any biscuits in the box. What are we going to do? Says Greg. Then Mrs. Brown came. Hi, Mom. It's so good to see you. What's in your bag? Hi, Mrs. Brown. Hello, kids. Delicious. So now let us read and write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. Greg and Anna are hungry. True or false? It's true. Anna has got a box of cereal. True or false? It's false. There is a box of biscuits in the cupboard. True or false? It is true. There are some biscuits in the box. True or false? It is false. And number 5, there is a carton of milk in the fridge. True or false? It is false. It is a carton of orange juice, right? There is some juice in the carton. Is it true or false? It is false. It is empty. There is no more juice in the carton. So you have finished writing T for true or F for false for this task. Now let us go to next one. This is also on your textbook, page 51. What are Tom and Samantha going to buy? Listen carefully for the dialogue. And I want you to take out your pencil and your textbook and you tick the correct answer. Okay, listen carefully.
Four. What are Tom and Samantha going to buy? Listen and tick. 1,
What do we need for dinner tonight? Do we need any vegetables?
We've got some carrots and a bag of onions, but we haven't got any potatoes. Can you get a bag of potatoes, please?
Sure.
2.
Do we need any drinks?
There are 2 cartons of juice in the fridge.
Have we got any lemonade?
Yeah, we've got some cans of lemonade, but we need some water.
How many bottles?
6.
Okay, 6 bottles of water. By the way, do we need any milk?
Milk? No, we don't. We've got 2 cartons. 3.
What about dessert?
I don't know. We've only got a box of chocolate biscuits.
Why don't we make a carrot cake?
That's a great idea. Just buy a bag of sugar.
Just sugar?
Yes, we've got flour and butter.
So you have listened to the dialogue between Tom and Samantha. What are they going to buy? You have to listen and tick. You can listen to this, you can replay this video later on so you can get your answers. Okay, if it's too fast, you can listen it again later. Now we move to our next task. This is your exercise for today. Imagine you are going on a picnic. Do you know what is a picnic means? Yes, we are going out with our friends and family, go to the park or go to the beach and have a picnic under a shady tree. So, before you are going to a picnic, what are you going to buy? What are the things that you want to buy and bring to the picnic? What you have to do is do your shopping list and list 5 items that you want to buy. Okay, you can write more than 5. I know you have a lot of idea in your mind that now you can imagine what are the things and items that you want to buy. What are the food that you want to eat and you want to bring to the picnic with your friends and family later on. As you can see in this picture, there are a lot of food, right? There are lots of food. So you write your own list. Maybe you want to bring apples, ice cream, who knows? Okay, so you can list down as many words as you want. You can use your listening and speaking exercise book and do this inside your exercise book. All right. So it is a very easy task, and make sure you do it properly. You can draw a picnic box like this, and then you can draw the item that you want to buy. After you draw, you can list it out. See it here. All right, class. So that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my Teacher Lily YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video, and please stay safe wherever you are. Don't forget to finish all your works, all your homework that the teacher gave to you, and send it to the school for me to check later, and for me to give you marks in your PBD. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.